This is the CERRXIAN electrical disconnect, marketed as a trolling motor disconnect, but of course it's good for any high amperage electrical application. Nice 8-gauge wiring. It's in a silicone insulated jacket, so nice flexibility and good heat resistance, better than PVC. The actual conductor, it's not pure copper. It's either tinned copper or maybe aluminum. It looks like maybe it's tinned copper. It comes with some nice machine screws and the correct butt splice crimp fittings. Nice waterproof covering here. I guess this would be more like this if you're going to mount this. Excellent keyed design. There's no way to plug this in incorrectly, and really nice mechanism here. So at this point it engages and then it basically spring locks. So this is not going to unplug until I come and rotate this out. So really nice disconnect.